This walkthrough covers email and SMS, notifications, billing options, online payments, and outbound webhooks in Prism. From the Integrations group in Settings, we open Email and SMS. This connects your own email sender and SMS gateway for transactional messages such as appointment notifications and receipts. Credentials are encrypted and not shown again after saving. For email, you choose the provider a generic SMTP server or a Gmail app password and set the from name, the address, the server, and the app password, and a test email can be sent once it's saved. For SMS, you set the gateway, the DLT registered sender ID, the gateway URL, and the API key, and a test message can be sent through the registered gateway. The notifications outbox shows every email and SMS the workspace has queued, with counts for pending, sent, and failed. Any row can be opened to inspect the rendered message, and a pending message can be cancelled. Notification templates control the wording of each message, for example an appointment booking, a confirmation, a cancellation, a reminder, or a password reset, each with a subject and body and variables that fill in when the message is sent. SMS bodies can be matched to your DLT approved template, and each template can be previewed with sample data. Billing and invoicing holds the refund policies, invoice numbering, and GST defaults. The refund policy slabs control how much is returned when an appointment is cancelled or missed. Quick links reach the invoice settings, the clinic identity, STIN, page sizes, and footer that print on invoices, the per service GST defaults, and the rest of the billing module. Online payments connects a Razorpay merchant to accept card, UPI, and net banking payments at booking. You set the key ID, the brand name, the key secret, the currency, and a webhook secret, with the secrets encrypted and not shown after saving. Outbound webhooks push events to external systems in near real time, each signed with the consumer secret. Adding one registers a label, a URL, the events it wants, optional custom headers, and an active state. The page shows delivery counts and recent deliveries, each of which can be opened to inspect its payload. Returning to the Settings hub,